Lotus feet. Follow the flag.
Huwag muna daw tayong bumili.
Oh, you have lots of time naman daw mamaya. Wow!
Anong town nga ba to?
Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An
Shopping
Asian town.
capital of Hoi An.
Sobrang
Tingnan
init.
mo maraming ang Vespa dito, no?
Yeah, this is a wishing well. Oh, ito yung market. No shopping daw. No shopping, bawal ma-distract. Tingnan nyo naman yung ilong ko, sobrang sunburn na. Ano? Uy, in fairness, malinis ah.
Philippines?
Galing na.
Dali niya ata, na-figure out niya na
Pilipino tayo.
Kasi turo-turo.
You know? Lechon. Oh, ito mga souvenir shop. Look, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Ay, bawal ma-distract. Ano ba yan? Kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang.
Papadaligan tayo nito.
Bawal mag-stop. Dito na kami sa labas ng palengke. Usong-uso sa kanila yung ratan. Mga straw na bags. Ano, puro palengke. Ay, tingnan mo, may parang port sila, oh.
After Chinese temple, that's the ancient house. After ancient house, that's a Japanese bridge. And then you have free time to go shopping. Number of the street.
Okay, follow the leader.
Rename for you. Handkerchief.
But now they feel the machine is faster. Different.
Ayan, ang ganda nito, oh.
Pwede bang iuwi yan? Mama.
Ay, tinatawag na tayo. Ayun. Nandun na sa dulo. Bilis. Vietnam coffee.
Ay, ang ganda ng mga dress. Pero gusto kong balikan yung place. Magkano kaya?
Na talaga ang tailoring sa kanila, oh.
Maganda.
Okay, now you follow me to inside the temple.
You look haggard. You're not fresh anymore, huh?
Wow.
They cross on the ocean on the ship, and they get danger on the ocean. And there are two ladies. Appear there. They symbolize for the Holy Mother. Appear, and help to local people, on the ocean and save them. And on the picture, you can see here, it means from the battle. Okay, this picture is it means the Mandarin they fell from the battle. And they run away, they escape. It means they run away to Vietnam, to Hoi An. And you stay here, you take a seat here, this is the meeting table. Everybody, they come to here to meet together Yeah, and discuss their work, their child here. Yeah, and you know Hoi An City. Hoi is mean the meeting. Yeah, and An is mean the same. The same city. Hoi An City. Yeah. Yes, the UNESCO belong to the UNESCO. Yeah, in 1999. Yes, in my city too, there are some. Because
Dito sila nagme-meeting.
it's an old city.
Sobrang hulas na.
Incense, make a circle incense. Incense? Yeah, incense.
Ay, oo nga. Incense. Umuusok siya, oh. Umuusok siya.
Pray for their family. She is the singer. She is the temple. She is the holy mother of the local people. Can you guess?
Lotus feet.
Yeah, that's a very small shoes.
They like women with small feet.
Yeah, that's the the culture. Tie the feet for the baby girl. Yeah, all the
These shoes.
yeah, that's a shoe for the lady, not for the baby. Yeah, very terrible for the culture to tie the girl feet in China. Some days in China in the past. I don't know now they stop or not. Yeah, it means the girl when they grow up, their feet not developed.
Should be small.
Yeah,
It should be
maybe
small.
yeah, maybe round, maybe different, very terrible shape.
They have a very hard shoes
Yeah.
so that their feet will not expand,
Yeah.
will not grow.
Yeah, not easy to move, to walk, because in the past the lady they have no right.
Yeah, they have no right. They don't have to leave the house.
Yes, they keep the lady at home to do housework, to take care of the family, to take care of the children. Yeah, but too difficult for them to walk out. And so now I think that they stop in some of the village already. Yes, so terrible.
Ang cute ng mga bahay, mga sinaunang bahay.
Kasi ito ng buong city ito,
Pinireserve talaga.
yung UNESCO Heritage.
Ah, ano siya? Parang covered.
Nasig.
Parang pinagkakagastusan talaga para ma-preserve.
Sabi ko, di ba sa atin yun lang
Tama pala yung pagkakaintindi ko. Ayun.
Di ba sa atin kalye, Crisologo, yun lang. Ito, buong city.
Wow! Ang ganda. Para kung nag-step back in time. Kung mag-shopping kayo sa Hoi An, this is the place. Ang elegant ng mga binibenta nila. Mga damit. Ay! Nakatakot lang yung mga... Nakakatakot lang tumawid-tawid dito. Ang ganda!
Kaya hindi na pwedeng dumaan.
Ang galing. This is a UNESCO Heritage pala. Meaning, pinipreserve talaga nila to. Ang galing. Para kang nag-time travel back in the ancient times sa Vietnam. Ang gaganda ng mga lights. Ay, lantern pala. Lantern. How many years old is that?
You
Wow,
use
sinaunang
comb.